The Ten of Diamond. The Ten of Diamond points towards a big success after a period of difficulty. That means, after having gone through a period of difficulty, we can expect some big success around the corner. It also signifies good fortune, progress, security, riches, wealthy, aeroplane, wind, speed, fuel. It is mostly a wealth card, and whenever it comes up in a financial or a business related reading, we can be sure that a big amount of wealth is somewhere around the corner. It is a bank card, savings, flight, no financial worry, big investment, career, money tree, prosperity, satisfaction. It also signifies our lung, chest, breathing, and allergy. Overall, quite a good card to get in your reading. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.